Good morning, dear students. This is GK class. I am Paramji, and today we will discuss two topics. First is the striking similarities, and second is the yummy chocolate. And first topic, striking similarities. In this topic, we will learn about some vegetable and some foods that looks like same as the parts of body. Means जो बिल्कुल दिखते हैं हमारे parts of body की तरह. Okay, and work भी करते हैं उन्हीं parts के लिए. Okay, and second topic is the yummy chocolate. In this chapter we will learn and we will um, discuss about that persons who played a very important role to make chocolates, yummy chocolates. Okay, so let's start with chapter 1, striking similarities. In this picture, you can see this is the picture of carrot, sliced carrot, okay, in left side. And right side, you can see the picture of eyeball. Okay, so a sliced carrot looks like the human eye. Okay, and the people iris hota hai aankh ki putli. Okay, and radiating lines look just like the human eye. इसकी जो इरीज है वो देखो आप बिल्कुल एक ह्यूमन आई की तरह ही आपको शो हो रही है इन कैरेट स्लाइस्ड. एंड science now shows the carrot greatly enhances blood flow to the eyes and improve their functions. Okay, science ने भी ये प्रूव किया है कि जो कैरेट है वो आईज के लिए बहुत बेनिफिटेड है एंड इट इम्प्रूव्स द फंक्शन ऑफ आईज. इसमें जो ब्लड सर्कुलेशन है या इन चीजों में बहुत इम्प्रूव करता है. Okay, in second picture you can see this is the kidney beans in left side and right side this is the kidney, human kidney. So students, kidney beans actually heal and help maintain kidney functions. And yes, they look exactly like the human kidneys. ये बिल्कुल उसकी तरह दिख रहा है, आप देख रहे हो. You can see in the picture, left side this is the beans and right side these are the human kidneys. Okay, the shape of human kidneys looks like kidney beans. और वर्क भी ये इसके लिए करता है, इसकी फंक्शनिंग में ये बहुत अच्छे से फंक्शन करता है, पार्टिसिपेट करता है. So this is very important for human kidneys. Next thing is walnut. Left side you can see this is walnut, and in right side you can see this is the human brain. So a walnut looks like a little brain, a left and right hemisphere of the cerebrum and lower cerebellum. ये होते हैं मस्तिष्क के, मतलब दोनों दिमाग के, मस्तिष्क एंड ये इनके नेम है ये. ठीक है, दोनों ही ब्रेन के पार्ट है ये. So even the wrinkles or folds on the nut are just like the neocortex. And walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. वॉलनट्स में जो ओमेगा 3 होते हैं विच इज एसेंशियल फॉर द प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द ब्रेन. इससे जो ब्रेन की जो फंक्शनिंग है वो बहुत अच्छे से होती है. अगर आप डेली अपने रूटीन में दीज आइटम्स इफ यू टेक इन योर डेली फूड तो आपका जो ब्रेन है उसमें काफी इंप्रूव होगा, काफी वो शार्प होगा. ओके, next you can see in left side this is the onion, and in right side you can see this is the body sliced onion looks a lot like body cells, and research shows that onion help to clear waste materials from the body cells. जो body cells में waste material है वो clean करता है onion. So they even produce tears. जब आप अनियन काटते हैं तो यू हैव नोटिस्ड कि जो आपकी आंखों से टीयर्स आते हैं, सो विच वॉश द एप्थेलियल लेयर्स ऑफ द आईज। ओके, जो आपकी अगर जो लेयर एप्थेलियल लेयर होती है उसको ये वॉश करता है व्हेन यू कट द अनियन। ओके, next picture is, this is the sweet potato, and in right side this is the pancreas. This is also body part. So sweet potato looks like a pancreas and actually balance the glycemic index of diabetics. Okay, sweet potato, you know very well. इसको बॉयल करके कट करके इसके ऊपर लेमन एंड सॉल्ट लगा के इसको आप यू कैन टेक इन योर फूड. Next is the tomato. Left side this is the tomato and right side this is the human heart. So students, a tomato has 4 chambers and it is color is red. This is similar to the human heart because human heart is also red and has 4 chambers. So tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a substance that helps in reducing the risk of heart diseases. टोमेटो में जो लाइकोपिन होता है उससे हार्ट डिसीज होने के चांसेस कम हो जाते हैं. सो अगर आप टोमेटो जो है अपनी सैलड वगैरह में लेते हैं तो हार्ट डिसीजेस की प्रॉब्लम्स होने के चांसेस नहीं होते. ओके, दिस इज आल्सो गुड फॉर हेल्थ, गुड फॉर हार्ट. ओके, next is celery in left side and right side you can see this is the human bones from top to bottom. Okay, so celery looks very similar to bones. जैसे ये लंबी लंबी होती है ना bones की तरह. So and this is known to specifically target bone strength. तो ये bones को strength करती हैं. So bones are 23% sodium and celery has 23% sodium. Bones में भी bones के लिए भी मतलब 23% sodium है उसमें and celery में भी same. So if you don't have enough sodium in your diet, अगर आप नहीं ले रहे हो sodium अपनी diet में, then you can add the celery in your food. Okay, and the body pulls it from the bones, making them weak. अगर आप नहीं लेते तो फिर उसमें क्या होता है कि बॉडी जो है वो पुल करती है इसको बोन्स को एंड ये जो वीक हो जाती हैं बोन्स. सो दस दिस फूड replenishes the skeletal need of the body. पूरे ये हमारे skeletal system को पूरे को इसकी नीड है, तो ये हमें अपने इसमें ऐड करना है डाइट में. Next is the mushroom. You can see in left side mushroom. It looks like a human ear. So take mushroom and slice it. जब आप उसको slice करते हो ना half, then it resembles your ear. उसको half center में से जब आप उसको cut करते हैं, okay, it resembles your ear. So although we generally get vitamin D from sunlight, वैसे तो आपको पता है कि sunlight से हमें vitamin D मिलता है, but mushroom is also a good source of vitamin D. Okay, it helps in improving your hearing capabilities also and strengthen the bones in the ears. जो हमारे ears के अंदर bones है उनको भी ये strength करता है, strong करता है और hearing power, hearing capabilities को भी improve करता है. Okay, next is grapes. Left side, you can see this is the grapes, and right side, lungs. Grapes and lungs have a striking similarities in the way they look. जिस तरह से ये दोनों साइड से आप देख रहे हो कि सेम लुक हो रही है, इनकी सेम नजर आ रहे हैं. सो ग्रेप्स आर क्लस्टर्ड टुगेदर, एक साथ रहते हैं, एंड सो आर आवर लंग्स. सेम ऐसे ही लंग्स भी ऐसे जुड़े हुए हैं. So there are various branches in our lungs that end in round balloon-like structure called alveoli. Okay, so alveoli helps pass oxygen to the bloodstream from our lungs. If you are prone to asthma that arises out of some allergy, so you might have to take food items that contains Pantocyanidin, and grapes is a good source of this chemical. Okay. So remember, students, to include these food items in your diet, then you can enjoy their benefits. Okay. After then, this is the exercise in your book. Students, fill these answers with me. First question is, black-eyed peas are not peas. What are they? Black-eyed peas are beans. वो peas नहीं होते हैं, वो क्या होते हैं? Beans होते हैं. So answer is beans. Second question, what are the two top selling spices in the world? What are the two top selling spices in the world? First is the pepper, second is the mustard. Note down the answers. Black pepper, white pepper, brown pepper. Means you can write pepper. And second is a mustard. Okay. Question third, which animal's milk is used to make authentic Italian mozzarella cheese? So answer is the water buffalo. Okay, the water buffalo. Question 4. Which nation produces 2/3 of the world's vanilla? So answer is Madagascar. Madagascar. Okay. Next question, 5th. Under what name did the Domino's pizza chain get its start? Answer, Dominick's. D-O-M-I, Domi, N-I-C-K, Nick. Dominick's. Okay. Next question, 6th. On what vegetable did an ancient Egyptian place his right hand while taking an oath? कौन सी vegetable लेते हो? The onion. Okay, because its round shape symbolized eternity. जिसकी round shape होती है वो eternity की तरह symbol करती है. So what was, next question, what was at one time and single most expensive seasoning in the world? Answer is garlic. Okay. Next question, where were strawberries first discovered? Answer is Brittany, France. फ्रांस की ये सिटी का नेम है ब्रिटेन. ओके. Next is question 9. Even though almonds are high in calories and fat, they are good for you. Why? Because almonds contain nutrients to help lower cholesterol. Okay. Note down the answer. Because almonds contain nutrients to help lower cholesterol. Okay. So that's why they are good for us. Now the chapter 2, topic 2, yummy chocolate. So students, chocolate means mummy said big no and tummy said big yes to my yummy chocolate. So the joy and happiness of the taste as it melts in the mouth is indescribable. Incredible. Okay, it melts in the mouth is indescribable. Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss about that persons who contributes to make chocolate. First is the cocoa beans. Did you know about the cocoa beans? So students, first is the Columbus, means Christopher Columbus, who is said to have brought the first cocoa beans back to Europe between 1502 to 1504. Means Columbus came to understand the perception of cocoa beans as valuable. वो पहला पर्सन था जिसको ये पता चला कि कोको बीन्स की वैल्यू है. सो बट नोट दैट द पर्सनली डिस्कवर्ड चॉकलेट. उसने चॉकलेट को डिस्कवर नहीं किया, but he was the first person. He was a Swiss entrepreneur and early chocolatier who founded Keller, the first modern brand of Swiss chocolate and oldest still in existence in 1819. His birth date is 11th June 1796 in Switzerland, and he died on 6th April 1852 in Switzerland. Okay, he was the chocolatier and known for founder of the oldest chocolate brand in Switzerland still in existence. Right? Second person, his fellow explorer, that is a Spanish conquistador Don Herman Coates, who first realized that their commercial value. जिसने इसकी commercial value को समझा, Don Herman Coates. He was famous Spanish explorer who tread in the footsteps of Christopher Columbus, जो इसी के footsteps पे चल के उसने during 16th century में इसको explore किया. So he is also widely regarded as the first European to discover chocolate. He brought cocoa beans back to Spain in 1528, and very gradually the custom of drinking the chocolate spread across Europe, reaching in England in 1650. इसका लिक्विड, इसका ड्रिंक बना के उन्होंने इसको स्प्रेड किया था और इंग्लैंड में ये 1650 में पहुंचा. Okay, and the secret of chocolate was taken to France in 1615 when Anne, who is Anne? Daughter of Philip. Who is Philip? Philip of the Spain married King Louis. ये जो Anne थी वो उसकी मैरिज हुई थी लुइस के साथ. ओके, ये थी डॉटर ऑफ फिलिप ऑफ स्पेन. ओके, और इसकी मैरिज किसके साथ हुई थी? लुइस के साथ ऑफ फ्रांस. ओके, ये फ्रांस में इसकी मैरिज में चॉकलेट्स पहुंची. ओके, एंड द चॉकलेट फैक्ट्रीज अपीयर्ड इन यूरोप इन 1728, बट दे यूज द एंशिएंट मेथड. तब उनको मॉडर्न मेथड नहीं पते थे, तो वो एंशिएंट मेथड, पुराने मेथड यूज करते थे उस टाइप के. ओके, Francois Louis Keller. Students, Francois Louis Keller established first sophisticated production facility in Switzerland in 1819 and made the first smooth chocolate bar. ये वो पर्सन था जिसने सबसे पहले जो है बनाया था स्मूथ चॉकलेट बार. Okay. And in 1875, the Swiss chocolate maker David Peter turned the world of chocolate by adding Nestle condensed milk to chocolate. So in this person was the entrepreneur and early chocolater who found the Keller. In 1875, the Swiss chocolate maker David Peter turned the world of chocolate by adding Nestle condensed milk to chocolate, right? And after then, Rudolf Lind. Next person, Rudolf Lind. That person, known by his franchised name, Rodolphe Linden, was a Swiss chocolate maker, chocolatier, and inventor. He founded the Lindt brand of Swiss chocolate and invented the counching machine. That machine processes to improve the quality of chocolate. इसने जो machine बनाई उससे chocolate की quality में काफी improve किया गया. Okay. और that person born was on 16th July 1855. He was the founder of the oldest chocolate brand in Switzerland. He is the founder of Lindt, inventor of counching machine. Okay. He is the first one produce a creamy chocolate that pleasantly melted on your tongue. You can see in the picture. Then Henry Nestle. Henry Nestle was a German Swiss confectioner and the founder of Nestle, the world's largest food and beverages companies. Born on 10th August 1814 in Germany and died 7th July 1890 in Switzerland. He was also confectioner. And the Henry Nestle produced the first white chocolate also. Okay, students? So, then the brown chocolate, dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains the highest concentration of a compound called flavonoids, which are actually antioxidants. First is which boost brain level of serotonin. Serotonin is the एक ये एसिड होता है ये सेरोटोनिन इज द हैप्पी न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर जो हमारे ब्रेन में होता है और जब हम खुश होते हैं तो ये लेवल जो है अपने आप बूस्ट होता है. ठीक है, तो ये चॉकलेट खाने से वही सेम चीज इंप्रूव होती है. ओके. एंड सेकेंड इज एनहांसेस मूड. ये मूड को भी जो है एनहांस करता है. ओके, अच्छा कर देता है. एंड चॉकलेट ऑल्सो कंटेन्स healthful nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, potassium, copper, etc. And cocoa is the highest natural source of magnesium. Okay. So this is the exercise. Fill the answers, students, with me. First question is, how many seeds are there in the cocoa's pod? Answer is 25 to 40. Note down the answer, 25 to 40. Question 2. Which country consumes the most chocolate per person per year? Answer is Switzerland. Okay, answer is Switzerland. सबसे ज्यादा जहां चॉकलेट कंज्यूम होती है. Okay, and then third question is early Mexican history states that the cocoa beans was once used as dash. Answer is money. Question 4. Which chocolate bar is famous for its fingers? Answer is Kit Kat. Then question is 5th. In Belgium, which form of chocolate is added to steamed milk to make chocolate charm? Answer is chocolate chips. Okay, chocolate chips की फॉर्म में भी वहां पर ये ऐड किया गया है इसको. Then what is the close-up Flablicious? Chocolate flavored toothpaste. Next question. What candy bar was originally packaged to include 3 separate pieces of candy flavored vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry? Answer is 3 Musketeers. 3 Musketeers. Question next 8. Which continent now produces the most cocoa for making chocolate? Answer is Africa. Question 9. In which year was the Crunchy launched? Answer is 1929. 1929. And question 10. What is your favorite way to eat chocolate? Answer is self. Self. Okay, students. I hope you understand all things, students. So revise this topic.